money ain't the motive. What's your name again? Nobody knows it. Don't speak to me, nigga, you not involved, and I'm focused. They say I'm nutty, I'm picking fast, no short of a sandwich, peanut butter, or swappers of fat. Please come and get me, said I suck him at your neck like a hickey, boy, I'm sicky like an HIV victim. Ain't nobody fucking with me, I got man from New Zealand. Why he called me a demon? And the terrorist, goddamn it, I couldn't believe it. Been a kid from the country, I never fall, never timber, but you fucked up as a parent, your child, I was a nigger. I clearly don't give a fuck, so you can run that shit back and fuck your loud pack and fuck your Snapchat. Third bomb, the greatest fucking album since the days of sound. And that shit gon' pop just like that nigga that was never around. Damn, got the drop, gas him up, dick is off. Young T, can't quit, hard to beat, dick is off. He ain't lying, he the truth. Call him Simba, beats loose. Tyler the creator, sweat Jesus juice. Put that fucking cow on my level, cause I'm raising the stakes. Mama made you promise, it's no more section 8. We won't be able to mistakes. Now section is great, cause that's the level I'm at. My niggas pass him a plate. Hey.
in college years ago, where he wanted to be alone to pursue his forbidden experiment.
Slick, hidden in a book. The only way they find it if it's spitting in a hook. Listen, don't look now, keep walking. Traded 3 beans for this cow. Keep talking, Hawkman, stalking here that we hawking often. Talking to a coffin, might as well scoff the pork then. He's like Wolf, some say stronger though. Off the top, chase strong bow, play along, bro. Wear a mask like yo off the gong show. Flow slow as Mongo, Don Juan Thong Pro. For your info, when he's not practicing Jim Crow. Actress in some nympho bimbo. He's playing Ray J, the old tape. Doing well, what can I say? Like JJ in a gold cape. Fill it to the rim like Brim. Villain and you won't find him in no gym. Probably a foggy bog with the frogs with a dot on the guard as he squat on a log. Half cocked and half baked. Used to keep a full stock of work, half rock and half shake. My mistake, sign a track agreement for more cheese than lines and cracks in the cement. In any event, it's fake like wrestling. Get him like Jake the Snake on mescaline. Elixir for the dry throat, tried to hit the high note. Villain since the itsy bitsy's eye go. By remote, sending the meat wagon. Bragging MCs packed in with their feet dragging. These stats are staggering. Had his PhD in indiscreet street haggling. Villain. His agenda is clear, ending this year with dividends to spare here. It's not meant for the seeing. Went through the ceiling after entering his sense of being. A new meaning to sales through the roof. Guaranteed raw as source truth is truth proof. It's the return of a tramp who do a duet jam when Ernest goes to camp for the right earn. Know I mean like burn. We need some more oil for the machines to burn. Learn. Jiminy Crickets. He gets lucky like winning free tickets off sickly lyrics. One man's waste is another man's soap. Son's fan base know the brother man's dope. A real weirdo with above rear flow. And the way his hair grow was ugly as a scarecrow. He was a mask so the charge won't grab. On a rooftop with a large stone slab. Heads up, talk white and thought niggerish. Refused to walk tight and got his off the vigorous. Black licorice and equally as yucky. How he handled the money was strictly Dan Stucky. Monkey hustle, man on fire. Later for the date than the hand-drawn collider. It costs more, it be seeming like a style. Doom leave the competition steaming like a pile. Smile. Sparkling jewels, in effect like alternate side of the street parking rules. Fools, the roach was never dead. Live for a week, then dehydrate with a 7 head instead. It was depicted as afflicted, split the wicks lit.